Hello everyone, I'm Matthew again. Today we'll make a dancing doll. Basically, this is a skeleton kind of a puppet. So I'll show you how this works. This will be our head and the body with two hands to be joined and hand. So all these points we'll tie it up with a string and we'll be having and stick this head and body to a stick, and then it becomes, you can turn the stick and it becomes like a dancing doll, a puppet. Okay, so let's begin doing this. We need few things for this craft to be done: glue, thread, pen, pencil, stick, a pin to pierce holes, and that's all. We can start right now. So I'm going to use a folded sheet like this, so that everything we cut we get double in number. And there's a reason to make two sets. One is for the hand and the legs, two legs, two hands, and the body two and the head two is to stick front and back of the stick. So we'll make a fold and so I've done all the paper cuttings. I'll arrange and show you how the whole puppet is going to look like. So this is going to be the puppet. So we'll start to pierce holes and then we'll fix everything together. So before we could pierce holes and tie the knot, we'll stick the body and the head so that they get dried up quickly. So this is going to be the front of my artwork. So I'm going to keep it at the bottom so that even if I get some wrinkles while sticking at the back, I can cover it. I'll keep this under a weight so that it can stick for some time. After stringing this, the whole toy is like this. So next time I will divide this body, hip, head also. Try to make them also move, and even put this dancing fellow on that rocking toy which I made out of that LED bulb, recycled LED bulb. Thank you for joining this video. Thank you. Bye.